If you want to create a clean circular text design in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to wrap text around a circle in Microsoft Word step by step, using a simple method that works great for invitations, logos, badges, labels, and custom graphics. It's a really useful trick to know, and once you learn it, you can make your Word documents look much more polished and professional. If this video helps, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document, or open the document where you want to add the circular text. Once you're ready, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. From there, click WordArt. WordArt gives you stylized text that we can transform into a circular shape. Pick any style you like. Don't worry too much about the color or appearance right now, because you can always adjust that later. After you insert the word art, click inside the text box and type the words you want to wrap around the circle. This could be a name, a title, a phrase, or anything you want to display in a curved format. Keep in mind that shorter text usually works better for a clean circle, but you can experiment with longer text too. Now select the word art text so that the formatting tools appear. At the top, go to the Shape Format tab. This is where the transformation options are located. Click on Text Effects, then hover over Transform. Under the Follow Path section, choose Circle. As soon as you select it, the text will curve around in a circular path. This is the key step that creates the wrapped text effect. If the circle doesn't look quite right yet, don't worry. You can adjust the size to make it look more balanced. Still in the Shape Format tab, look for the size settings. Set the height and width to the same measurement so the shape becomes a perfect circle. For example, you could set both to 4 inches by 4 inches or any equal size that fits your design. This helps the text form a smooth, even ring instead of appearing stretched. You can also click and drag the word art box to position it exactly where you want on the page. If needed, resize the circle a little larger or smaller until the spacing looks right. You can even change the font, color, and text style to match your document. That means you can make it bold, elegant, modern, or playful, depending on what you're creating. If the text seems too small or too crowded, try changing the font size or shortening the wording. If the circle looks too tight, increase the size of the shape a little. These small adjustments can make a big difference in how professional the final result looks. And that's it. You've now learned how to wrap text around a circle in Microsoft Word using WordArt, text effects, and the transform options. It's a quick and easy technique that can make your design stand out instantly. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.